Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. I am independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I wanted to show you a card that I found that is near and dear to my heart because it's a paper saver. The piece you cut out is also the piece that you use for the front, so there's no paper waste. So I love it. So let's get started. I use the Ornate Garden Specialty DSP as part of it. So first we'll start with a piece of cardstock that is 4 1/4 by 11 inches, scored at 1 1/2 and also at 7. And then what you want to do is you want to cut off 2 inches off the end, or as I wrote here, is you can cut off at 9 inches. We're going to pull out the arm, 9 inches, there. And as promised, we're going to use that piece for the front. And what I used is the Scallop tag topper punch. And it fits perfectly in there. Oops. Ta-da, for 2 inches. I'll set that aside. And then let's get some of the DSP and the cardstock all set. So 2 pieces of cardstock, 2 pieces of DSP, another piece of same DSP, but I'm using the flip side, and then a piece of Whisper White. So you can pause this, or it's also on the blog post, these measurements. So I'm going to use my Stampin' Seal, taking off my cap, put my little T on there so I know where to return it. Gotta get it started. And you're just matching it up. And there. And this one, we'll go ahead and stamp. And I chose this saying from the Rustic Retreat set. I really like it. It's a A.A. Milne quote. So I'm going to stamp that with some Calypso Coral. And then adhere it with some dimensionals. And put one more in the middle so it doesn't sag. And that will go on the tag we just cut earlier. And we'll bring back our card. Use our bone folder to fold along the score lines. There you go. Then some more Stampin' Seal to adhere the bottom part and the top part. Then I also have a piece of Whisper White for the middle here, and I wanted to add some decoration, so I took the flower and just stamped in all 4 corners. I usually don't do that, but I thought that'd be a fun addition to it. And some more seal to adhere this to the card for a fun place to be able to write in. There. And then I did have 6 inches of ribbon, and I like to fold it in half, place it in the hole that the punch provides you, and then put this tail back into that hole like that. Then to place it, I want it to look like this, but not adhere the bottom one, so it'll still open up. So just a little adhesive here, and at an angle. And then, just as a little bling, I took some of the gilded gems and took the piercer. Has some sticky on it, so it's nice to be able to put it right there, put it where you want it, push down with your thumb, and that's it. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for allowing me to share this with you. If you would like to, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.